Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your science class. Children, in the previous classes we have discussed about RBCs, WBCs. Today we are going to learn about blood platelets. So let us see. Children, blood platelets are the third type of blood cells which are also known as thrombocytes. Okay, thrombocytes means you can see here it is made up of thrombo and cytes. Thrombo means clot and cytes means cells, so something related to clotting. Now let us see the structure here. They are quite irregular in shape and without any nucleus. Like RBCs, they also do not have any nucleus in them. You can see here the shape of a platelet is like they are having spikes all around on the outer surface which help in binding these cells with the other platelet cells during the formation of a clot, which is important for blood bleeding to stop. Okay. So, they are smallest in size as compared to RBCs and WBCs. Then the lifespan of these cells is approximately 8 to 10 days in the normal human body. And the main function of these cells is that they helps in blood clotting. Children, when you get hurt and you start bleeding, you must have noticed that bleeding stops automatically in a short period of time. How does it happen? Because these cells, blood platelets, form the clot over there, or plug we can say, which helps in stopping the bleeding of the blood from the wound. Or in Hindi, this blood clot is also known as Neel Jamna. Children, let me remind you of one important case of which is connected with the platelet count in our body is, that is, importance of platelets count in dengue. Children, as we know that dengue is a mosquito-borne viral infection, and what happens during this condition, if a person is suffering from dengue, then the platelet count of that person suddenly drops from normal to 1.5 to 4 lakhs to 20,000 to approximately 40,000, which is very low as compared to the normal count. Now what happens if the patient is having dengue and starts bleeding or get injured? Then in that case the blood is not going to clot efficiently because already the person is suffering from dengue, and we know that during this condition the platelet count in his body will be reduced to a very lower number. So children, this is very important to see the platelet count, otherwise we can have severe issues during the dengue when the count is very low, as it helps in clotting of blood very efficiently in the body. So this is all for platelets. So children, let's study functions of blood. As I have already told you, blood plays vital role in our body. So what are their functions? Let us see. First, as you can see here, blood carries nutrients. So it is a transporting medium across which the nutrients are also transported. How it happens? Let us see. Children, from the intestine, all the kinds of nutrients are collected by blood only, and they are reach to, or they are available to every cell of the body for the nutrition purpose, for the source of energy. Next, blood transports respiratory gases. Children, already I have told you what are respiratory gases: oxygen and carbon dioxide. It carries oxygen from the lungs to the tissues or the cells of the body for release of energy. Similarly, blood also carries carbon dioxide from the cells to the lungs for exhalation from the body. So how it maintains the level of oxygen and CO2 in the body. Third important function which we can see here is it carries waste for elimination from the body. Children, all the liquid waste or other kind of gaseous waste are taken with the help of blood to the kidneys, and from there only by the routine they are expelled out. So blood plays many important roles in our daily life. This is all for the day. Revise the topic nicely. Thank you so much.